If your PC still takes forever to start, don't worry, you're not alone. At this point, some computers take so long to boot, you can make coffee, drink it, and it's still loading. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that and make your Windows 11 PC faster, smoother, and more responsive, step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Disable startup programs. Many applications automatically start with Windows, increasing boot time and consuming RAM immediately after login. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Then go to Startup tab. Then disable unnecessary apps, for example Discord, Spotify, game launchers. Why this matters. Reducing startup load significantly improves boot speed and system responsiveness. Step 2. Uninstall unused programs. Unused applications take up storage space and may run background processes. Let's get into Settings. Then click Apps. Inside the apps, choose Installed Apps. Then uninstall programs you no longer need. Pro tip: remove bloatware, trial apps, and duplicate utilities for better performance and storage efficiency. Step 3. Scan for malware and viruses. Malware can slow down your PC, cause lag, and increase CPU usage. To scan your PC, open Windows Security, then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Inside Virus and Threat Protection, click Scan Options. Then choose Quick Scan or Full Scan. Recommendation: run a full scan for best results if you haven't checked recently. Step 4. Optimize visual effects. Windows 11 uses animations, shadows, transparency effects, and visual transitions to make the interface look smooth and modern. These effects consume GPU, CPU, and RAM resources in the background. Disabling them reduces unnecessary rendering and improves responsiveness, especially on mid-range PCs, to optimize visual effect. Search performance in Start menu. Then open. Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and select Adjust for best performance. You can also manually enable only essential visual effects for a balance between speed and appearance. Step 5. Clean temporary files. Temporary files accumulate over time and slow down storage performance. On your keyboard, press Windows plus R. Then type %temp% and press Enter. Then select all the files inside and delete them. Step 6. Optimize drives. Disk optimization helps improve file access speed, especially on HDDs. To optimize your drives, search Defragment and Optimize Drives on Start menu and open it. Then Select your main drive, C:. After you select it, click Optimize. Note: SSDs are automatically optimized, but occasional optimization is still beneficial. Step 7. Increase virtual memory. Windows uses a combination of RAM and a hidden system file called the page file, virtual memory, to handle extra workload when physical RAM gets full. Recommended method: System Managed Size. Open Advanced System Settings. Then go to Performance. By applying these steps, your Windows 11 system will feel faster, smoother, and more responsive. Start with basic optimizations first, then move to advanced tweaks if needed for maximum performance improvement. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides like this. And feel free to comment what topic I should cover next.